Tired of leads clogging your Kvcore and want to reclaim control of your database? Let's dive right into how you can block and unsubscribe leads in Kvcore, step by step, ensuring a clean and compliant CRM. First, locate the lead you wish to block by using the global search bar at the top of your Kvcore dashboard. Just type in their name, email, or phone number. Once you found the lead, click on their name to access their profile page here. You'll see all their contact information and activity within Kvcore. Look for the three dots, usually located near the top right corner of the profile. This is your More Actions menu. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Block Contact. This action will prevent any further communication with this lead. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure. Double-check the lead's information and then click Confirm to finalize the block. Alternatively, if you want to allow them to still view properties from your website but not receive emails from you, select the Unsubscribe option from the Contacts profile. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked or unsubscribed a lead within Kvcore, giving you greater control of your database and helping you stay compliant.